Thank you. I plan to, believe me.
Are you really a dumbass or what? You know, you're a son of a bitch to have that sign there, dumbass.
Fuck you! You fuck!
No, this is for the bystander saying that you were crossing the roadway and
Yeah.
the car let off the gas and kind of rolled towards you and that kind of...
He didn't kind of roll toward me. He very intentionally bumped me with his vehicle.
That's what he was saying. I don't know. I wasn't here, so...
Yeah, no, okay.
No, I'm serious. That's what he was told. I want to hear your side as well. Did he...
Well, I've already shared it with Officer Littlefield.
Explain to me
It's